me, Stefan, and now the boat is moving off the departure. Alright, this is kind of this is with sounds. Okay. Departure time. She said subscribe.
She said it's okay. Mga 5 minutes. Okay. She said it's okay. Thank you.
There might be a little bit. There might be a little bit talking. It's just the people talking here. This is like a really good and smooth departure. There might be some sounds, but this is the boat sounds, alright guys? To make videos. Okay, here comes the boat moving. Bye-bye, Bohol. Guys, please like and subscribe. This is like so cool. You almost can't hear me because now it's moving. So like over there. This is probably like cloudy, raining. Probably a rain. Might be raining in Toledo, somewhere in Cebu City. Okay, here comes boat speeding. Yeah, like that one. This is like so nice. Wow. It's oceanjet, so that's why there's a white wall. First class video with sounds, boat departure. Please like and subscribe. I'm doing this for you guys. Oh, what's that? As always, I say that if I have no space for this video, then this already said that. No, you can't hear me sometimes because of the boat moving. That's really nice, isn't it, huh? Here's the boat speeding up. Might be a little bit bumpy because the waves are probably getting high tide. There's the departures of the Bohol. I cannot record for some reason. do the arrival for you guys. Isn't it really cool? They have trips? No, I'm not getting them. Only you can get them, my subscribers and fans. And if you go to oceanjet test class, and then try the one that I got, business class Cebu to Bohol. Now we're going Bohol to Cebu. Wow. Oh hey! Oh hey, there's another boat there. Hello there. Mini boat. How's that mini boat as fast as our oceanjet boat? Oh, it's faster. So nice. I want to see the ocean jet then. I want to see the ocean jet design then. You can see the next video and then the next video. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, nice. Bye-bye, boat. Okay, bye. It's done fishing. Or what? I saw some splash. Okay, there's another boat being stranded. Yeah, you can see it there. We're not. I don't know if we're actually heading there. Probably not. Isn't this so nice? The second floor you can see more view, but the first floor is most best to see. You know? Want to know what it is? I know there's some, there's like so much goodies. Wow. Isn't this really cool, guys? However, please like and subscribe.